So I am going to draw Goku Ultra Instinct with just 24 colored pencils. But this desk is so messy. But now it's good. And in paper I am taking 300 sim textured sheet. So here I am using Loomis method, which provides the structure to my brain and which is also essential for your brain. In journal, I am using 0.2 mm for the whole Goku. Now come the colored pencils. Starting with the first leg. It's looking good. In the skin, I am taking orange, brown and dark brown. That's it. And blending with the cotton buds because there are too much small areas. Now I am using the watercolors to make the aura of the Ultra Instinct. I am using deep blue and the crimson. So my artwork is done and these colors are good. By the way, my artwork is enough to tell the potential. Enjoy.